Welcome to another session with confirmcard.com. In this session, we are going to learn the concept of sales order cycle. So, user can create the add order, or customer can create an order using the respective vendors portal. Once the order is created, it will be stored in the accept order tile of the vendor. There the vendor can see all the orders which are open. Then after that, he can call the customer and make sure that he is legitimate and is willing to go for that order. Okay, so then you can press accept if that order is good, or you can reject if the order is misplaced wrongly or something like that. So once it is done, then the order is moved to open order bucket. Then you can you can check all the open orders, modify if it required. If the like the customer says I don't want that item, or if they want to decrease or increase the item whatever they order. So then after that, once it is confirmed, then it is waiting for the today's order. So then you can open all the orders for today's, then start processing on those orders. So once it is done, all the today's order is done, then you process the payment is made. If the payment is made by the customer by PayPal or advance full payment, then it is you can ship it, or you can ask the customer to pick it up, or you can deliver the product manually. So once the payment is done, the order is moved to feedback on buyer. Means you can give the feedback on the buyer, whether it's cooperated along with the full cycle of the order, and also any issues you can mention and give the feedback to the buyer. And once it is done, so then the sales order process is completed. If the payment is not made, you can send the payment link again to the customer and make sure that whether it's they paid via phone or any through physically they come and pay the payment, something like that. So once it is done, then again it will go back to the feedback on the buyer. So this is how sales order cycle works. Thank you.